Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. My birds are being loud. Hold on. Sorry, because I was rattling these particular packages. So, I'm here with a unboxing. I've taken it out of the box, but I thought I would just share with you. So this is from an Etsy shop called Plan and Go. And this is all a gift from her. So I'm going to save that to the end because, wow. So let's just start looking. I am super excited. I found her. I was looking for specific things and her shop showed up. So I love her thank you. I don't want to mess that up either. Because you know me, I'm going to reuse every sticker I can. Alright, let's see here. Okay. So these are kits. And I do love my friend Robin. And I picked up some of these for a different project, but I will share them with you. So, I think oh yeah, okay. So she doesn't have these by the kit. She has them by the size, which I totally get. Okay. So I will just figure it out. We have the technology. We can do this. Okay. Oh, perfect, because she has them separated like that. So, here is this kit. Isn't that cute? That may be that those are add-ons. I can't remember. And then all of those. And these. I hope you're seeing this. Sorry. Let me sort this differently. Okay, let me start again. Here is that. Here is this. Here is this. Here is that. And there's the big strips. And then here's her like calendar days, and there's that, and these are headers, okay, and then here's just the extra goodies. Ooh, I love that. That is really good. Okay, so there's that one, and then looks like, so what I ended up looking for were kits that would fit in a hobo niche, and the reason why is I have some really small, I think this is a separate kit, but I'm going to put it with that. So here's some more headers. Here's that. Here is this. Yeah, these are all hobo niche size. So here's that one. So they're smaller squares. And I don't have a hobo niche, but I have some journals that need smaller size. So I thought I would give her a try. So there's that one. I'm going to kind of crisscross them. Okay, so let's go back and let's do this one. So I love the purple because of my parents. So there's that. Let's go from behind. That way they'll fit. So there's those. Here's that. Little things made me smile. Don't forget important dinner, happy meal. I really like some of her like sentiments. She also has the habit things. She has bills due. This is really cute. I mean, this is really a darling kit. I love the little fireflies and the night sky, and then she has that with that. I mean, she really is very creative. I had such an order. It took a while, but I tell you what, it was worth the wait. Okay, so let me see here. Sorry, they are going crazy now. Okay, so here we go. Let's start from the back. So we have that. Those are all headers and like check-off lists and the little sunshine banners. And then here is boxes with more of those sentiments like I read earlier. Her daily, you know, Monday days of the week. More of those. Oh, that's her washi. Go wherever you feel most alive. Don't forget to smile. Live. That is so cute. Travel when possible. Super cute. And I love that. The clothesline of pictures. And then there are the boxes. And then here's more of the glitter headers. So very, very pretty. And then I think this is all one. Yep. So these are all pumpkins. These are fall. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? I know exactly what I was trying to think. What was I going to use this for? Now I remember. I do have the Erin Condren small one that I want to use these in. And then also I have a faith planner I want to use these in. So I'm getting ready to start my faith planner. It should have started last week, the 1st of September, but it's been a crazy couple of weeks. So anyways, and so that's what this is for. That's my fall. And then here's her extra goodies. Isn't that cute? And her extras were like $1. So it was totally, and then these are glitter headers. So that's why I did that. Now, let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness gracious. These, I think these are for journaling. Yes, they are. They're for like bullet journals. So you can do your days of the week to come out. And this is, I definitely am going to use this in, these are what I'm going to use in my Erin Condren. Super, oh, that is so cute. The abdominal snowman. And by the way, if you can't see, that's her. Isn't that cute? Plan and Go. And there is fall. And here is just a pretty floral. That is so, and I would use that for fall. And here is Christmas. Okay. Here is, those are kind of spring colors, but I love pink and green. Here are succulents. Aren't these cute? There's 4th of July or summer, however you do yours. Here is bees. Here's another pink and green, but a more muted. Okay. I love this one. This is peach and blue, kind of denim. So pretty. I love this one. Of course, we have a daughter who was born in China. And, yeah, panda bears are so sweet. I love those colors. Here is Christmas again, and it's Christmas Cardinals, so very pretty. You don't have to use it for Christmas because it's Cardinals, but it is Christmas colors, so you know I'll use it for Christmas. And then I have this, which is so cute. I love that. And I may use this in my dilutions. I'm not sure. I'm still kind of on the fence on a couple of these. And then look at this one. Isn't this sweet? So this one reminds me of our granddaughter's to-be, who's not yet born. It's all like woodland animals. So I saw this. The colors are very comparable. So really cute. And I wish I had, you know, like a sticker set of just those. Those are so cute, the woodland animals. And I love this one. This one's just kind of America to me, you know, farmland, you know, just that's what it looks like where we live. So, and then the flag on the barn. And then here, this one is, I think this one had to do with photography. So you have the little Instax, you have, you know, all that kind of good stuff. So super, super cute. Let me see. It says, don't forget to smile, live what you like, travel when, let's see, travel when possible. There you go. So super, super cute. And then this one is just the green and pink washi. Super cute. I may use this in my dilutions. And then here is all this. Super. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. That looks like spring to me. Kind of could go for fall, but, and then here's just all the colors. I love that. That one just kind of makes me smile because I love any kind of distressed wood. I love all of that. When you live on an old farm like we have, you have a lot of distressed wood. Okay, so there's that. Now, my birds are going to really go crazy. Sorry. Ugh, I messed that up. Let's see if I come the other way. I should have done this before. No, I've messed it up. Let me try. Well, I messed up kind of. Ah, it kind of came back. All right. There we go. So there's that. And these are the numbers I've been waiting on. So this is what took me there. I know, it's really weird. And some of her extras to her kits are these numbers and, goodness, all these numbers. You can add these on for like $1 to all of her kits. So I added on. And then the weather stickers. So how neat is that? Those were like $1. Now, is that big of a sticker? No, but when you price these out somewhere else, they're a lot more. So I love that. Of course, I can do stamps as well. So, alrighty, there's all that. And, oh, look. Is this another thank you kit? No. Okay, let me just look. I know I did this. So I have not gotten new, you know, like bookmarks in a long time. So see if I go faster, it doesn't rip. That's what I should remember. And so she had some darling ones. That was another thing that drew me to her shop. is she had bookmarks. So I thought, well, let's see what she has. So these are like vinyl, which I love, and I love the embroidered. The reason why is we live in the country. Everything is always like, you know, messy. So, and I love this one for fall. That one is going to go immediately on. I love the pink. I love the coffee. I'm going to say it's tea because I'm ready to go coffee. Snowflake for winter. Thought that was darling. And then this was a kit. Well, let me finish through these. So, pardon me, isn't that darling? I love the rose petal. I love the breast cancer for October. And I love the glitter for like New Year's or, you know, January. And, pardon me. So I had another bookmark picked out, but for just a little bit more, I could get the whole kit. And it's a Planner Girl bookmark. And I thought, oh, this one is the one I wanted. It was so cute. And then I saw that she had this whole kit. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for my birds not liking the noise. So here are these two darling little things that you can, you know, put something in that. I mean, you could put on your luggage. It could be a luggage tag. It could be all kinds of stuff. So, and it comes right through there. Oh, you know what this is? No, that's like a Purell thing. That's what that is. It holds like your Purell. That is so stinking cute. I'd forgotten that. And then here's just like a little tag to hang on the corner of your planner or your luggage or whatever, your bag, your computer bag, whatever you use. So, I thought those, gosh, it's like static electricity. I thought these were darling. So, let me put that to the side. And then lastly, I also picked up some things for journaling. And there's still some more planner goodies in here, I can see. I found the way to do it. You just go fast. It saves the thank you. Alright, so I wanted some of the 2020 calendars, and these are stickers. So, I got some of those. I got the script. I got that print. Hold on. So I wanted the two different. I like those. Pardon me. I will use these in my my dilutions and other things like that. So I thought this was really neat in my like bullet journaling type setups. So, and I may do this in art journaling too. I'm not sure. I had some thoughts on that. You know what? Maybe this is the Hobonichi. I'm not sure, but I will enjoy this. Okay, so there's the mermaid. There's the winter. There's the, isn't that fun for Christmas colors? Who would think of pink, yellow, and like light green or mint green? I love that. This is the colors of my kitchen that I want my kitchen to be. At some point we'll get it there, but the kind of the French country, and I love the lemons, so I love lemon and blueberry. Here's another Christmas with kind of funky colors, which I love. So, and then here's just spring strawberries. I think strawberries, yeah, the strawberry festivals are here in the spring, I think. Oh, and this is the photography girl again. This one's really a light print, so just as an FYI, I love all the coffee things. She gives you 4, so this is supposed to go for the monthly. I love that. Super cute. That's fun. Just the, what do you call it, carnival? Super cute. And then here's the rain for April. I know the thing is April showers bring May flowers. Sorry, guys. For us, yeah, we get ours like in March. Because our flowers all come out in April. So that's when we have our, hold on one second. That is my husband. So, and then there's gingerbread. Isn't that beautiful? And there's butterflies. And I love this. So it's all butterflies. And then this is summer. And more summer lemonade. I mean, you could use this anytime, but, or if you're going to take a trip to the Bahamas in the winter. And then this is just healthy eating, avocados and pink, and then here's fall. I thought that was so cute. More fall. Kind of the focus on the pumpkin spice lattes, all that. And I had to do the pink and black just because. And then here's camping, which I will save this for next year's Summer Adventure Bible Journaling Camp for my planner. And then here is that gorgeousness for any time. More fall, and again, there's a fox. I wish he would do a woodland set of the foxes, the deer, whatever, so I could use those, because that's what our granddaughter will have. So I love this color together too, that pink and blue. And then this is a coffee one. I know I'm not drinking my coffee. If I give up coffee, I'll give this away. If I don't, you know. So isn't that cute? Okay, so there's all that. That is the Hobonichi. So, now I think this is her thank you kit. So let's see here. Okay, I was right. So you know the first thing I see is this. I'm going to take it out. Isn't that darling? This little llama pen. I already wrote her a note and said, llamas. Now she needs a llama set of stickers, you know. Oh, okay, good. So this is only done this way. Perfect. Alrighty. So we'll save that bag. So this is I don't know what this is. Oh, correction tape. Oh my goodness gracious. Isn't that darling? Obviously, it's Korean maybe? Japanese? Looks Korean. No, China. How did I not know that? Anyways, super cute. Look at these. Oh, so sweet. Oh, I may pass these on to y'all. I love these, but I may pass these on because they're so cute. Oh, and then she gave me some extras here. Okay, so this is the birthday Hobonichi. And here is the spring. And here is the backyard barbecue. That is so cute. That is so, so nice. So if you get a chance, go by on Etsy and look at Plan and Go, Geaux, and, you know, tell her I sent you, and just support another small business run by a woman if you can. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this. Come on back. I'll be using these immediately in my planners. I'm doing my planning right now, and I've got to get these set up in the order of the year in my files, but I will be back, and I'll share with you guys. Y'all take care, and like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, go visit this gal, and come on back. There's tons and tons of drawings. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I'm doing all the summer drawings right now. I'm mailing those all out this next week. We are going to have a 1,200, 1,400, and we're not far from 1,200 subscribers, 1,400, 2,000. We're going to have more drawings, and that 2,000 drawing is phenomenal. I mean, I just can't say enough. I hope you guys will hurry up and subscribe, because it is amazing. It's shocking, and there will be two giveaways on that, and it'll be Christmas. I'm going to tell you that right now. So anyways, but come on back, and yeah, all right, share this if this would encourage anybody else. All right, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely, and I will be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye bye.